Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. As we know, annual exams are in the corner, so we have to do practice for reading English. So children, in this video, we are going to read a passage for add and app family words. So let's get start.
And each each
He's
the at the dad at hat at lad the at lad at hat app cat.
where is lad?
This is lad.
Where is dad?
This is dad.
Where is app cap?
This is cat.
And what is the color of cap?
Blue.
What is the color of lad's t-shirt?
Yeah. He is a bad lad so the dad is sad.
Who is sad?
Dad
Is sad.
sled. Dad is by the app tap.
Where is the app tab?
This is tap.
Good.
He has had an app map and a pad on each heat. At the lad.
Look.
At the lad.
Read it again.
Lap.
Yes. Where is app map?
This is an app map.
Where is add pad?
This is pad.
Where is app lap?
This is app lap.
This is lap.
Yes, this is lap.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.